Penguins. The fascinating world of these flightless birds. Penguins are some of the most beloved and captivating birds on Earth. Their charming waddles, playful behavior, and unique adaptations make them stand out in the animal kingdom. Despite their popularity, penguins are often misunderstood creatures, especially when it comes to their diet, lifestyle, and physical characteristics. This video aims to provide a comprehensive overview of penguins, including their food preferences, food intake, lifespan, size, and other interesting facts. Types of food penguins eat. Penguins are primarily carnivorous birds with a diet centered around marine life. Their food sources vary depending on the species and the region they inhabit, but all penguins rely heavily on the ocean for nourishment. The most common food items in a penguin's diet include fish. The primary food source for many penguin species is fish. They enjoy eating a variety of small fish, such as anchovies, sardines, and smelt. Fish are packed with the energy penguins need to thrive in their often cold and harsh environments. Krill. Another essential part of a penguin's diet is krill, which are small shrimp-like creatures that are abundant in colder ocean waters. Penguins such as the emperor penguin often rely heavily on krill to fulfill their dietary needs, as these small crustaceans are rich in nutrients. Squid. Some penguin species also consume squid, particularly those living in deeper waters. Squid provides a high-energy food source that penguins need for their highly active lifestyle. Other marine life. Penguins, depending on their location, may also feed on other marine life such as crustaceans, mollusks, and even small seabirds. However, fish and krill remain the core of their diet. Penguins do not hunt on land, but instead dive into the ocean, using their powerful flippers to swim at incredible speeds. They can dive to considerable depths to catch their prey, showcasing their amazing adaptability and skill in aquatic environments. How much food do penguins consume? The amount of food penguins consume depends on their size, species, and the availability of food in their environment. In general, penguins are efficient hunters, but their food intake can fluctuate based on external factors such as the time of year, availability of prey, and whether they are breeding. Emperor penguins. The largest species of penguin, the emperor penguin, is known to consume significant quantities of food. On average, an adult emperor penguin can eat around 2 to 3 kilograms, 4.4 to 6.6 pounds of food per day. This includes a mix of fish, krill, and squid. During breeding season, their food intake may increase due to the extra energy required for egg incubation and chick rearing. King penguins. Slightly smaller than their emperor counterparts, king penguins also consume a large amount of food, averaging about 1.5 to 2 kilograms, 3.3 to 4.4 pounds of food per day. Smaller species. Smaller penguin species, such as the little blue penguin or the African penguin, consume less food but still require substantial quantities to maintain their energy levels. They may eat around 0.5 to 1 kilogram, 1.1 to 2.2 pounds of food daily. Penguins rely on high-fat diets to survive in their cold environments, which helps insulate them from the freezing waters. However, during the breeding season or when food is scarce, penguins may go without food for extended periods while caring for their young. Despite this, they have evolved to survive without regular feeding sessions, thanks to their fat reserves. How long do penguins live? The lifespan of penguins varies by species, with some living longer than others. On average, penguins have a lifespan ranging from 6 to 20 years, though factors like predation, environmental conditions, and human impacts can influence their longevity. Emperor penguins. Emperor penguins, the largest and one of the hardiest species, typically live between 15 and 20 years. However, in the wild, their lifespan can be reduced by predators such as seals, as well as by harsh environmental conditions. King penguins. King penguins have an average lifespan of 15 to 20 years, though they can sometimes live slightly longer under ideal conditions. Adelie penguins. These medium-sized penguins live for around 10 to 15 years. Their lifespan is impacted by factors such as food availability and climate change, which can affect the stability of their habitats. Smaller penguins. Smaller species, like the little blue penguin, generally have shorter lifespans, averaging around 6 to 10 years. Penguin chicks, like many other bird species, face high mortality rates during their early life stages. Predators such as seabirds and sea mammals can prey on eggs and young chicks, reducing their chances of survival. Additionally, harsh weather conditions can be a factor in reducing lifespan. Penguins that successfully reach adulthood tend to live longer, but they must face various challenges in order to thrive. Penguin physical characteristics. Penguins, despite being birds, have evolved to become expert swimmers rather than flyers. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the water, and they possess several unique physical traits. Average weight. The weight of a penguin varies depending on the species. The smallest species, the little blue penguin, weighs only around 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds. On the other hand, the largest penguin, the emperor penguin, can weigh anywhere from 20 to 40 kilograms, 44 to 88 pounds. Other species, such as king penguins, weigh around 11 to 16 kilograms, 24 to 35 pounds. Length. Penguins can vary significantly in size. The smallest penguin, the little blue penguin, typically measures around 40 centimeters, 16 inches, in length. In contrast, the emperor penguin is much larger, growing up to 1.1 meters, 3.6 feet, in length. Height. Height also varies depending on the species. The emperor penguin is the tallest species, standing at nearly 1.2 meters, 4 feet, tall. Smaller species, such as the little blue penguin or the African penguin, stand at just around 40 to 50 centimeters, 16 to 20 inches, tall. Adaptations for swimming. Penguins are perfectly adapted to life in the water. Their wings have evolved into flippers, which they use to propel themselves underwater at remarkable speeds. Their bodies are streamlined, with a thick layer of fat to provide insulation against cold water temperatures. Additionally, their webbed feet help with steering and balance while swimming. Coloration. Most penguins have a distinctive coloration that helps with camouflage. Their black and white plumage serves as a form of protective coloration. The black backs of most penguin species blend into the dark ocean when viewed from above, while their white bellies help them blend with the bright surface of the water when viewed from below. This dual camouflage helps protect them from predators. Penguins and their environment. Penguins are found primarily in the southern hemisphere, with most species living in and around Antarctica. However, some species, like the Galapagos penguin, inhabit more temperate regions. Penguins are adapted to survive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, including icy waters and freezing temperatures. In addition to the cold waters of Antarctica, penguins can also be found in temperate and even tropical climates. Despite their association with ice and snow, not all penguins live in frigid environments. For example, the Galapagos penguin lives near the equator, and the African penguin can be found on the southern coast of Africa. Penguins are extraordinary creatures, perfectly adapted to their aquatic environments. Their diet of fish, krill, and squid allows them to thrive in cold waters, and their ability to swim at incredible speeds helps them catch prey with ease. With lifespans ranging from 6 to 20 years, these flightless birds face numerous challenges, from predators to harsh climates. Their varying sizes, from the tiny little blue penguin to the massive emperor penguin, highlight the diversity within the penguin family. Despite their sometimes difficult lives, penguins are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of wildlife in the face of environmental challenges. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.